are you purposely sabotaging your relationship, even if it's very minor, very small, but 1,000 little small sabotages can lead to one big explosion? Are you purposely sabotaging your relationship in order to protect your heart? Are you purposely sabotaging your relationship because you don't feel valued or wanted? Are you purposely sabotaging your relationship because you're scared or because you have never dealt with your past? Therefore, you feel like you're bringing that past into this new relationship with these new children, whether bio dad's in the picture or not, and you don't feel like you're responsible enough to even handle the amount of pressure, time, energy, and effort it takes to be a step parent. Because you already know, parents in general, bio parents in general, have it easier than step parents. I'm not saying parenting is easy. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that as a step parent, not only are we coming in trying to deliver value to our new home, but we are also dealing with the outside circumstances of the relationship that we find ourselves in now that sometimes have nothing to do with us. But here's the biggest disconnect with new stepdads. Okay, biggest disconnect with new stepdads is they become a stepdad, they agree to be that leader within the home, but they haven't let go of who they were. They haven't fully disconnected from whether they were a big partier, whether they were somebody that was promiscuous, whether they are a gambler, or whether they just, maybe it's self-love, maybe they're just not confident at all, maybe they're really insecure, whatever it might be, they haven't fully let go of that person. So when they enter this new relationship, they're bringing the old person with them, and they are doing kind of the same similar stuff, but now there's an added part to this relationship, which is kids and partner and home and pressure and stress, which I believe causes a lot of stepdads to walk away, which I believe causes a lot of stepdads to purposely sabotage their relationship so they don't feel like they're the one, like they're the bad guy.
Even when I've left, I do right by you.